Hello, my name is Mary Gakey with Gakey Halston Associates, and I've been selected as the mediation attorney for this mediation session. It's nice to meet you. So I understand what we're mediating today is custody in a divorce. Yes, well, divorces can be very messy and highly emotional situations. So the point of this mediation session is for both parties to come to an agreement, so it would not have to go to court, which would cost more money as well as time. So by getting this case settled, it will be beneficial to the parties to help them not have to spend years going through the court and also legal fees. And so we're going to start with Mr. Smith. Now, as part of the divorce proceedings, Mr. Smith said that Mrs. Smith should not receive custody since she is a negligent parent. Can you state your case on that, Mr. Smith? Oh, no, please don't interrupt, Mrs. Smith. Let Mr. Smith finish talking. Okay. All right. Now, because your wife was unfaithful to you, you feel that she was negligent to the children. However, even though she was unfaithful, did it ever interfere with her child care time, such as picking kids up or taking them to appointments? Please don't interrupt, Mrs. Smith. I told you to let Mr. Smith finish. Okay. All right. So yeah, unless you have solid evidence that her affairs were interfering with her childhood times, that she wasn't able to provide the basic food, clothing, or shelter, or proper medical care for them, that does not mean that she cannot get custody or would be considered a bad parent. Now you may speak, Mrs. Smith. Okay. All right. All right. Yes, I understand, Mrs. Smith. So even though you do admit to a wrongdoing in your marriage, you did take care of all the children's needs, as I mentioned, picking them up from school, or dropping them off at school and taking them to doctor's appointments. So you feel that you should get 50% custody. Okay. Well, based on what I'm hearing, since Mr. Smith does not have valuable evidence to consider Mrs. Smith a bad parent, you both will get 50% custody then of the children. We will meet again to determine what days of the week each parent will get them. All right? So have we come to an agreement today? All right. Thank you, everyone. And also to let you know, if you have any other people that need cases mediated, please do refer anyone to us. In 2009 at the Mediation and Legal Awards, I won Top Mediator for settling cases such as this as well as other cases. So thank you for your time.